The anti-aging market is full of promises, but few results. What if a company could prove their science works? What if they got real people to try it? Finally, a breakthrough product that provides the satisfaction of real results with the confidence of real science.
The tone and texture of my skin has dramatically changed.
I have become addicted to this product.
My skin feels healthier and softer and not as red and damaged.
What I've seen in the last 30 days or so with Nerium AD has been phenomenal.
Get ready to discover an age-defying product that actually works. Using the most advanced facial scanning equipment available, researchers were able to identify and measure Nerium AD's effects on the appearance of wrinkles and discoloration. Not only on the skin's surface, but emerging from beneath the surface as well. Nerium AD clinical trial participants experienced a reduction of the appearance of fine lines by
18%.
33%.
55%.
Beyond just fine lines, participants also experienced a reduction in the appearance of deep lines by
20%.
40%.
43%.
Finally, a real product, proven by real science, with real results in less than 30 days. Nerium AD.
It makes me really happy to know that I can just put something on my face that's a topical lotion and in 30 days have marked results.
All of us want tone and texture changes. I think this product really, it's something that's working for me in that aspect.
I didn't see differences before with other creams, but with this one I started noticing it like 1 week after. Yeah, I love it.
It made me feel more beautiful, my skin more vibrant, and I would recommend it to anyone.
Nerium AD. Real science, real results.